Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram story effect to your friends. So here, for example, I'm going to share my favorite effects on Instagram to my friends. So here I'm going to just click on the effects first. This is my story page. So I want to upload the story, and here I'm going to click on the effects at the top. For example, here I'm going to share this my favorite effect or filter maybe in the Instagram. So if you want to share it with your friends, you can just click on the effects, click on this to see the options, and here you can just scroll down and there will be this option, share effect link. Click on this and then go with Instagram chats. Tap on that and select your friend's username. So I'm going to just click on send, then click on done at the bottom. So the Insta story effect has been sent to my friend. So this is what it looks like on the DMs. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.